Hi friends, I'm Ramakant from Zashpix. Today we are looking at personalized mobile cases. Log on to zashpix.com. On the left hand side we have a menu bar. When we click on it, we will be getting the mobile cases option over there. When we click on the mobile cases, we will be getting the mobile cases brands. You can select the appropriate brand. Let's suppose for an example, here we will be selecting for the Apple brand. You can see all the mobile cases that are available under that brand. Let's suppose here we'll be selecting for iPhone 11. When we click on it, you'll be getting an option for customize it. When we click on customize it, the page loads. Here how it will come. Here we have an option to add an image. Add an image. Upload your photo or art from a local device. You can choose from a take photo or photo library. I'll be choosing from a photo library here. Done. Here we need to be little patient. It takes some time to load our photographs. Once the photograph is loaded, you can just click on the photograph. It's get over here on this page. You can just select the photograph and drag over here. And you can also pinch zoom here as per your convenience. See how I am doing it. Once it's done, cross the mark. You can just see the preview over here. This is how the art photograph looks on the case. Okay, now we have to continue purchase. Yes, it goes back to the product page. Under the customize it, now we will be getting our customized mobile case over here. Here we have to be a little patient because the photograph what we have uploaded will be uploaded in our servers. It's taking some more time. Yes, now it's loading. Here you can see the customized one. Note, the device page over here on the mobile case will not get printed on the actual mobile case. It's a technical error from our end. We are doing investigation towards it. Don't worry. Anyways, before production, we'll be sending the preview, the design preview to your mobile number via WhatsApp. On your approval only, we'll be printing and we'll be dispatching it. Else, we'll be doing the necessary changes as per your requirement. And now go for add to cart. When we click on add to cart, our mobile cases will get added to the cart. Our mobile cases get added to the cart. Here. Now we have an offer. Say the offer is 50% off on the second mobile case. That means we have to add other mobile case. It may be of a different photo or from a different brand. Let us look into it. 2 mobile cases at 450. That let's again search for the one more mobile case over here in the search bar directly. This time it's OnePlus 8 Pro. Again the same option, customize it. Add an image at the bottom, upload an image. If you want, you can add the different photo or the same photo. In this case, for an example, I am adding the same photographs. I can click and drag, pinch zoom the photograph. And cross mark. See the preview how it looks on the case and continue to purchase. Yes. Again it loads to the product page. At the Bottom of the customized it, you can see the designed or customized product. It takes some more time. Again, here also we got a white space. No need to worry, it won't get printed on the actual mobile case. It's a technical error from our end. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Now go for add to cart. Here we have two mobile cases in our cart. One is OnePlus 8 Pro and other is the iPhone 11. Here at the bottom you can just find star mark. When we click on the star mark, you'll be getting all the loyalty points or the stars regarding our JustPix. Now you have to sign in. If you already have, you can just sign in, else you can create an account. Since I already have, I'm going to sign in. Login. After login, you will be getting the my account page. At the bottom you will be finding the stars. Here you have to go for ways to redeem. Under this, the third option is 50% off on the second mobile case. You can view that offer. It says it expires in 6 months and can be being used on $598. Yes, 2 mobile cases. For each mobile case is $299. For 2 mobile cases it's $598. And again 50% off on second mobile case. Kindly note. Redeem. After redeem, you will be getting the coupon code. You can just copy that one. You can close the stars and go to the cart. Proceed to checkout. It takes some time. Just be patient. Thank you for being with us. In the card, we have got 2 mobile cases for $598. Now we have to apply the discount code what we have collected from the stars. This smiley one. Now you can just see 2 mobile cases at 448 rupees. You can just enter all your details. Continue to shopping. You can select the appropriate shipping method as per your convenience and continue to payment. We have 2 payment gateway options over here. You can pay via Paytm or else you can pay via credit card, debit card, net banking, mobile banking, wallets and everything. Even we have a Google Pay and Phone Pay also. You can just complete the order. This is how the personalized mobile cases we can book order on our website. Thank you. Happy gifting, Team JustPix.